Hi, I'm Tom, CEO of TheraBulb, and today I'd like to talk to you about the new TheraBulb clamp lamp, some key features of it, and how to use it with TheraBulb near-infrared light bulbs. Okay, here it is. I'd like to go over some things in particular. I designed this lamp, and I think some of these differentiators, when compared to what you get from the big box stores like Home Depot and Lowe's or online from Amazon, make this an ideal lamp to use with TheraBulb infrared light bulbs. So you see how deep this dome is. It's very long. The reason for that is when you screw the bulb in, you can get it all the way in there and it's not sticking out. It's recessed more than an inch in most cases, depending on the bulb you're using. And that makes it so you're unlikely to impact it with your body or something else. Or if for some reason the lamp drops, it's unlikely to hit the bulb first and shatter it. As you can see here, we have TheraBulb on here. Now this is not a sticker, so nothing to worry about because this is actually etched right into the metal. Another key thing about this is aluminum, and it does not get very hot. A little bit warm to the touch, but it's not really hot like you get with some of the clamp lamps out there. So this right here is going to be a socket. As you can see, it is CE certified for the European Union. Also, that's a good measure of quality. And this is heavy duty ceramic. This can handle up to our 300 watt light bulb. That's kind of unusual. A lot of the clamp lamps out there only go up to 250 watts. This lamp will accommodate 300 watts, no problem. One more thing, when you are setting this up for the first time, it does come assembled like this, but make sure you've got this wing nut as tight as possible. That way you've got some good tension in here on the arm. Now, because these hood domes are heavy to some degree, and you got the bulb in there too, you're not really going to be able to extend it out all the way. It's probably going to slowly work its way down. But I'll show you how I use this, and you'll see how it works quite well along with some of the other features I have on here. Now, something in particular I'd like to show you is we've got this strap on here. Now, I added this long strap, and the reason for this is that most people are using a clamp lamp like this and attaching it to a chair or a table or something else. And as noted, the weight of it can kind of pull it down. So you can strap this strap right around something and it's going to hold the lamp a little more steady and make sure it doesn't fall. So now I'm going to show you how I use this and how it works with some of our light bulbs.